Thanks.
Not too bad. Yeah.
Tea, coffee, Pepsi.
No thanks, I'm fine. Yeah, thanks. Straight home. Maybe get something to eat and straight home. Back to bed.
Yeah. Yeah, you can take a small cup of
Busy today? No, quiet? A bit busier. Yeah. When's your busiest day? Weekend, Saturday, Friday, Saturday?
January.
Wait.
no thanks. It's okay. Just a bit of tonic.
Yeah, perfect. Are you from here? Sorry? Oh, Romania. Oh, nice. You here a long time? You like it?
You know Haji?
Yes.
Yeah, that's the...
His son is playing now as well.
Yeah, he played for...
Rangers. He was playing for Rangers
yeah, he
one
was
time.
playing, yeah. Now he's playing La Liga. So he's in Spain. He played for... Alaves or Sevilla, I don't know.
Big club anyway.
Very much.
Yeah. Yeah, we have another player now. Player for Tottenham.
Who's that?
Dragushi. It's a defender.
What's his name?
Dragushi, Radu Dragushi.
Oh, this one that they just signed. They
Yeah.
just joined. Yeah. Who is this guy? Is he good?
He's good on, yeah, he played for...
Big, strong.
Really strong, he played for... You know, it's...
Yes,
good
big clubs,
one.
yeah.
It's big club, but
He's in the
it's-
Premier League now.
Yeah. It was the first game with Man United. You know that.
Yeah, it's a mess.
I said before it was like kind of different. Okay, so, but now I saw it like I just watching like just sometimes like big games
Yes.
or Champions League or that's it.
That's stressful.
Yeah.
Yes.
Quality. You have to be strong, be
That's
focused. Play there.
Do you play football?
I play something with them. Last week I one with some friends.
Too cold.
Yeah.
But like after that, just got tired of it.
It's nice. You know what I like? I like to go to the gym.
Yeah.
I like to drive
Too slow. Cities have to be fast.
for first time I was the same, but now I don't say I'm pretty good, but you know, I like it. It's the same, you have to be focused, you know.
Yeah. And they're crazy. These guys don't play for money.
No?
It's just for passion.
Okay. Oh my god.
Just for
Just for, you know,
for
just
to
for fun.
to represent where you're from.
Yeah, so here it's the best.
what?
Latin.
It's Latin language.
Yeah, Latin language.
Is it similar to like what's the closest language? Is the same?
The same. I don't know. Greece.
Greek, yeah.
Greece.
So if you go to Greece and you hear them, does it sound the same?
Yeah. If you know.
Few words.
Yeah, few words.
That's
Yeah.
a nice name.
5 stars.
Only for now, I don't know why. Before we had in 1990, 94 we had a good team. Yeah, that's good.
Yeah.
That's
Okay.
perfect.
Yeah.
Lovely, yeah.
Can we do some products?
No, it's fine. It's fine like that, yeah. League One players. No, none of the players are playing Champions League. I don't think in the Irish team.
Anyway, a few Irish in Premier League.
Yeah,
see,
few.
Yeah. I think one of the guys play for
Brighton.
for City. If I'm wrong, I say.
At the moment,
I say
Not-
yeah.
maybe I'm not sure.
Or Chelsea maybe, I don't know. Anyway,
The
I know-
goalkeeper played
no.
before.
Yeah, I know the new guy. He was playing for City.
Yes.
The skinny guy.
Yes.
I don't know the name.